How to delete Made by Shopify or Powered by Shopify in your website footer. Hi guys, I know you want to make your Shopify website more appealing, and I don't know why I personally don't want to see the Powered by Shopify on my website's footer too. So in this video, you'll learn a bit in adjusting your website's footer and removing that phrase. First off, go to Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, click here on Actions, then Edit Code. Search for the word footer and click on footer.liquid. Right here, you want to search for the keyword powered. Now what you'll have to do is to remove this line of code, powered by link, along with the double curly braces. And then click save. If you go back to your Shopify store, you shall notice that the word powered by Shopify is not on the footer anymore. That's it for this video. I hope you are able to follow through. And if you enjoyed the video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.